Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make use of the CS-Dash Indicator for MT4. Okay, in the description below, you're going to find the link to download the indicator, all right, and more information, of course. So after downloading the indicator, proceed to add it to your indicators folder for MT4. After that, just head back to your terminal, refresh your navigator, and then look for the CS-Dash Indicator, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then you can see the input settings, the customizable settings, quite a lot of them. You can modify these settings according to your taste, okay? And this is how the indicator looks like, okay? So basically, the indicator allows you to analyze multiple markets at a glance, or rather in one dashboard, okay? It's a smart dashboard tool that is designed to display real-time strength, trend, direction, and momentum across multiple currency pairs from one dashboard. So now when you are looking at this dashboard, you are seeing information about USD CAD, AUD CAD, USD JPY, AUD JPY, and so on and so forth. You can see all the indicator, all the currency pairs that are available. You are seeing information, valuable information, about these indicators. And then you're also seeing, some strength about a couple of currencies: US dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, the euro, Swiss franc, Great British pound, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar. So you are seeing that currently the US dollar and the Australian dollar are quite the strongest amongst the 8 of them, right? And yeah, you now see additional information about this currency pair. So this is going to give you some insight when you want to execute a trade. So you ought to have a strategy already, right? Have a strategy, and then this can just be for additional confirmation, trying to get more insight about the strength of the currency pair that you are trading at the time, and the related currencies, the individual currencies in that pair, if they are here, right? So guys, this is it for the CS-Dash Indicator for MT4. If you want more information about different indicators, both MT4 and MT5 indicators, strategies, expert advisors, and all of that, you want to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content about the Forex market. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.